Stay Gurubhyo Namaha children. Today we are going to see the continuation of exercise 3.6. Second Roman, third question. 9 minus 18x plus 8x square. First you should arrange in descending order. Okay. Descending order means big to small. Okay. We have to see the powers. Here power 2, 1, 0. So 8x square minus 18x plus 9. Here sum equal to minus 18 because coefficient of x is called it as sum. Product equal to multiplication of constant and coefficient of x square. 8 9s are 72. Now write the factor 72, 172, 72, 236, 72, 324, 72, 418, 72, 6 12s are 72, then 8 9s are 72. Okay. In this sum is negative, product is positive. Sum is negative, product is positive. Sum negative, product is positive. So bigger number negative, smaller number negative. Okay children? So both the numbers you want to give minus. So you want to get 18. Where you will get 18 children? See here, minus 1 minus 72 you get minus 73. So it's not possible. Here minus 38, not possible. Minus 27, not possible. Minus 22 is not possible. But here minus 6 minus 12 you get minus 18. So this is the suitable factor. Okay. So after that what you want to do? So minus 6 minus 12 we selected. Okay. After that we have to divide by the coefficient of x square. Here coefficient of x square is what children? 8. So divide by 8. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Okay. So what we are getting children? Here variable is x. X minus 3 by 4 x minus 3 by 2. Let's cross multiply. 4x minus 3 into 2x minus 3. What is the answer children? 9 minus 18x plus 8x square equal to 4x minus 3 into 2x minus 3. Do you understand children? See the next one. Fifth one, 12x square plus 36x square y plus 27y square x square. Okay, before finding the factor, we need to check any other common factors will be there. See here, x square, x square, x square, and all those 12, 36, 27 is divisible by 3. Okay, so that, see here, how I split this 12? 3 4s are 3 4s are 3 into 4 into x square plus 3 12s are 36 into x square y plus 3 9s are y square x square. Here which is common children? 3x square, 3x square, 3x square. So 3x square, you take it out. What is remaining here? Here 4 plus 12y plus 9y square. Now I am going to factorize this alone. Okay. First write it in the order, descending order, 9y square plus 12y plus 4. Rearrange this. Okay. In this, sum equal to 12, product equal to multiplications of the constant and the coefficient of y square. So 9 fours are 36. Here both are positive only. Write the factor 36. 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 12s are, 4 9s are, 6 6 are. Okay, here both are positive only. Okay, so bigger number also positive, smaller number also positive. When we add this, we want to get 12. Okay, where you will get 12, children? 6 plus 6. This is the suitable factor. Which is the suitable factor? 6 6. After that, what do you want to do, children? We have to divide by the coefficient of y square. So 9 9. Simplify this. 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So what you are getting? 3x square into y plus 2 by 3 into y plus 2 by 3. So 3x square, cross multiply this, 3y plus 2 into 3y plus 2. Do you understand, children? You have any doubt? No. Okay, children. See the next one. A plus b the whole square plus 9 into a plus b plus 18. Okay. Here sum equal to 9, coefficient of a plus b. Okay. Product equal to, here a plus b the whole square coefficient is 1. So 1 into 18, 18. Write the factor 1 18, 2 9s are, 3 6 are. Okay. Here both are positive. So when we add, we need to get 9. So where will you get, children? 3 plus 6 you will get 9. This is the suitable factor. After finding the factor, what we will do, children? We have to divide by this by the coefficient of x square or y square, whatever. Here coefficient of a plus b the whole square. Here what is the coefficient? 1. So no need to divide by this. Okay. So here a plus b plus 3 into a plus b plus 6. So what is the answer, children? A plus b the whole square plus 9 into a plus b plus 18 equal to a plus b plus 3 into a plus b plus 6. Do you understand, children? Okay, children. See the next one. Factorize the following. P minus Q the whole square minus 6 into P minus Q minus 16. In this, sum equal to minus 6, the middle term. Okay, coefficient of P minus Q. Product equal to, here the coefficient is 1. You have to multiply this to 1 into minus 16, minus 16. Find out the factor. Just you take it as 16 alone. Okay. 1 into 16, 16. 2 8s are 16. 4 4s are 16. Okay. Here sum is negative. Product also negative. So bigger number negative. Smaller number positive. Okay. Here both are equal. So any one you should give minus. Another one is positive. Okay. Then only we will get minus 60. 4 into minus 4 you will get minus 60. Okay. So we need to get minus 6. Where you will get minus 6, children? When we add this, you will get minus 15. If you add this, what you will get? Minus 6. So this is the suitable factor. Okay. After this, what you want to do? You have to divide by the coefficient of P minus Q the whole square. Here the coefficient is 1. So no need to divide this. Okay. So write the factor P minus Q plus 2 P minus Q minus 8. So what is the answer, children? P minus Q the whole square minus 6 into P minus Q minus 16 equal to P minus Q plus 2 P minus Q minus 8. Do you understand, children? See the next one. Root 5 a square plus 2a minus 3 root 5. Okay. Here sum equal to coefficient of a plus 2. Product equal to multiplication of constants and the coefficient of a square. Here root 5 into minus 3 root 5. So root 5 into root 5, what you will get, children? 5. 5 into minus 3. So 5 into minus 3, minus 15. Just find out the factor. 15, just take it, minus 15. Product is minus 15. 1 15, 15. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Here sum is positive, product is negative. Sum is positive, product is negative means bigger number positive, smaller number negative. Okay. So smaller number negative. Then when we add this minus 1 plus 15, what you will get? Plus 40. But here sum is 2. Minus 3 plus 5, what you will get? Plus 2. Okay. So this is the suitable factor. Okay. After this, we have to divide by the coefficient of a square. Here coefficient of a square is root 5. Okay. How can you split this 5? 5 equal to, you replace the 5, root 5 into root 5. Okay, so 5, how can you write this? Root 5 into root 5. After that, you divide by root 5, this root 5. 5 by root 5. So here 5, root 5 cancel. So what is remaining? Root 5. Okay, so here variable is a. So a minus 3 by root 5 into a plus root 5. Just cross multiply. Root 5 into a minus 3 into a plus root 5. Okay, children, do you understand this? So what is the final answer? Write the answer. What is the question? Root 5 a square plus 2a minus 3 root 5 equal to root 5 into a minus 3 into a plus root 5. You understand, children? See the next one. Eight m cube minus 2m square n minus 15m n square. Here you see all the terms have m. Okay. In this, the least power is m1, m power 1. Okay. Here power is 2, power is 3. So, least power you take it out. Okay. So, m you take it out. Here remaining m cube. How can you write this? M square into m. Here m I taken out. So, what is remaining? M square. So, 8m square minus 2. Here m square. How do you write, children? M into m. So, m if you take out means what is remaining? M. So, 2mn minus 15n square. So, now I am going to factorize this alone. 8m square minus 2mn minus 15n square. This one I am going to factorize. In this, sum equal to minus 2 because the product of, the coefficient of mn is the sum. Okay. The coefficient of mn is minus 2. So, this is the sum. Next, product equal to multiplication of coefficient of x square and coefficient of n square. So, 8 into minus 15. So, 8 5s are 40. 0 remaining 4, 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 4, 12. So, minus 120. Okay. So, I am going to find the factor 120. 1 into 120, 120. 2 60s are, 3 40s are, 4 30s are, 6 20s are, and 10 12s are. Okay. Here sum is negative, product is negative. So, bigger number negative, smaller number positive. Okay. Sum is negative, product is negative, bigger number is negative. So, smaller number is positive. Okay. So, bigger number you just give negative. Okay. So, when we add this, we need to get minus 2. So, where it is possible, children? Here is not possible. Here also is not possible. Minus 30 plus 4, you get minus 26. So, it's not possible. Here, minus 14 you will get, is not possible. But see here you are getting minus 2. Minus 12 plus 10, you get minus 2. So, this is the apt for this polynomial. Okay. So, after finding the factor, we need to divide by the coefficient of m square. Here, coefficient of m square is 8. So, divide by 8. 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So, m into m plus 5 by 4 n. Okay. Because here m square, n square is there. So, m n. Okay. M minus 3 by 2 into n. When we multiply these factors, we will get the given questions. Okay. So, here n square, if you want to, n into n only will get n square. Okay. So, m into Cross multiply 4m plus 5n into 2m minus 3n. So what is the answer, children? 8m cube minus 2m square n minus 15m n square equal to m into 4m plus 5n into 2m minus 3n. Is it clear, children? Okay, children. See the next one. One by x square plus 1 by y square plus 2 by xy. Okay. See here, first term square, second term also square, and third term 2. It looked like a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. See here how I am going to write this. 1 by x the whole square. If I square this, what you will get, children? 1 square, 1 only. X the whole square, x square. Okay. After that, plus 1 by y square. So 1 by y the whole square. Now a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into here a is 1 by x, b is 1 by y. Now it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So what is the answer? A plus b the whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab equal to a plus b the whole square. Okay. So how we are going to write? 1 by x plus 1 by y the whole square. So this is the answer. Okay, children? What is the answer? 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus 2 by xy equal to 2 by xy equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y the whole square. Do you understand, children? Thank you, children.